really sad. Percy, what's the matter? Well, I keep getting teased and wished at. I have no idea why. Oh, I think the big engines just want to play with you. I think I had the exact same experience. Then Edward began to tell his story. So, it started back in 1984. I was eventually young, but still a hard worker. But the big engine started eventually teasing me and wishing as they before as they wish as they think that they have no engine to shunt for them since Thomas got his branch line. And then that was the day you came along. And then, yes, a lot of engines do that. All of us gets teased sometimes. Even me. Even Thomas. But listen, nothing is going to stop you ever. Just keep going and don't listen to them. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have to head out with my train. And I suggest you do yours. I will see you later. And Edward steamed away. I was only trying to be useful, Percy muttered. Soon he buffered up to his trucks and steamed away. Soon Percy was on his way. I suggest you be careful, Percy. That train is very heavy. But Percy didn't hear Emily. What did she say? Oh well. He continued on his journey. Soon the trucks were approaching. Soon the trucks and Percy were approaching Gordon's Hill. The trucks had a plan. They were going to snap off of Percy at the end of the hill. Percy hoped he would make it up the hill. And sure enough, he could. But trouble was about to come trouble was about to come. Percy tried to stop him, but it was no use. Then there was trouble. The trucks and people, and they went down the hill. Then there was trouble. Said Percy. He was badly damaged. The trucks were as well. And Percy could not move. He had been pretty beaten up.